Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm a sewing teacher from Dorset. Today I'm going to show you how to make fabric crowns. Let's get started.
Merry Christmas!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Use the template provided to draw around your crown shape onto your natural backing fabric. Repeat with your coloured fabric of choice. Loosely cut around your crown shape and pop to one side. Lay both crown shapes right sides together and place them on top of your foam stabiliser. Cut around your crown shape and pop to one side. To make your crown ties, cut 2 strips of your natural fabric, the thinnest one in your fat quarter pack, measuring 50 by 8 centimetres. Press in half lengthways. Fold in one end of each strip by 1 centimetre and press. Then refold the strips in half again. Fold both long edges into the middle and fold the whole strip in half again, encasing the raw edges on the inside, and press flat. Sew along the long, open edges of your tie to secure. Repeat for the other tie. Get your crown-shaped fabric and foam, lift up your canvas piece and place the open ends of the ties on either end of your coloured fabric and foam. Make sure they're 4 centimetres from the bottom edge of the fabric. Top tip: use masking tape to keep the ties running down the centre of your crown shapes. Lay the canvas crown shape back on top, encasing the ties on the inside. Pin around the edges through all layers. Sew around the very edge of the crown shapes, leaving a 10 centimetre gap in the long straight bottom edge. Trim all seam allowances of the foam to match your fabric pieces, then cut all corners off through all layers. Then at all inner points, cut a small snip towards your stitches, being careful not to cut your stitches. Carefully start pulling your crown the right way around through the gap. You can use the ties to help you. Do it slowly and gently. Gently poke out all the corners into the shape you need. Be careful not to poke it through the fabric, then press everything flat. Use a ladder stitch to hand sew the gap up. Secure the ties, and your crown is finished. Thanks for watching. For more Christmas or sewing projects, head to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and leave a comment below. We'd love to see them, and we'll see you again for more videos.